Yesterday, we unboxed the OnePlus 6 here on C4 Tech. Today, we bring you the Avengers Infinity War Special Edition OnePlus 6. OnePlus traditionally have had a history of working with other brands on special editions, but unlike other instances, this time it's awesome to see that they've gone ahead and announced it right away at the launch. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech. Here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also be leaving a link in the description below. And while you're down there, please do click that bell icon to make sure you get notified each time a new video goes live here on C4 Tech. The special edition box is larger than the one we get for the regular OnePlus 6, and of course at one glance you know what you're getting. Opening it up, we've got the Infinity War OnePlus 6. Let's remove the plastic to the back. Now this one has a few cosmetic changes like that pattern, but let's talk about all that in a bit. We then have an Avengers card, the regulars including the Type-C cable, dash charger, a SIM ejector tool. There's a new Avengers Infinity War sticker. Then we have the regular leaflets. Now one of the things I love the most about that Star Wars Edition OnePlus 5T is that excellent Kylo Ren case, and similarly there's an Iron Man case here. Looks great, fits nice. Here are a few more shots of it to feast your eyes on. Then there's a medallion. We've got the Thor one here. OnePlus says there are 6 different medallions you might get in the box. It looks sweet, a nice little collector's item in the box. I appreciate it. Now, I'm not gonna go into the entirety of the build. If you wanna see that, here's a card to our unboxing video of the regular OnePlus 6. It's the same here. There are a few little changes though. For example, the back. It's based on one of OnePlus's most popular cases. It looks like carbon fiber but is still glossy, so expect fingerprints and smudges. Note that Avengers logo down below, so kinda a fusion of OnePlus and Avengers is what they're going for. Again, a little bit of a contrast from the white Star Wars edition to a dark black Infinity War Avengers edition here. Overall, it does look excellent. Then there's an accent to the right. That's the new home of the alert slider. A few days in, I still am getting used to it. Still not a fan. Sorry OnePlus. On the software side of things, it's mostly the same. Some accents and wallpapers. It's still the same rapid fast Oxygen OS that we all love. I can't really get into the changes because I'm not really allowed to discuss software right now. So anyway, I'll get back to you guys on that one. Stay tuned. Overall, OnePlus seems to have done a great job. Put together another fantastic looking special edition. I love Marvel. I love Avengers. Even more so than Star Wars, and I know it's an awkward thing to say, especially while wearing a Stormtrooper t-shirt, but yeah, it is what it is. I just absolutely adore Marvel. My favorites are the X-Men, but hey, I'll settle for Avengers here. But settle OnePlus? No, maybe I should never settle and wait for that X-Men edition OnePlus 6, OnePlus 6T. I mean, we all know that's gonna come. What do you think? What do you say, OnePlus X-Men edition OnePlus 6T? Well, jokes apart, what do you guys think about this Avengers Infinity War Edition OnePlus 6? Apart from the fact that it's a mouthful, do you like it more than the Star Wars edition? By the way, what is your favorite superhero franchise? Let me know in the comments below. And I guess that's it for this quick little unboxing and hands-on. And it is time I bid you adieu. If you hated the video, you know what to do. But if you did like it, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video goes live here on C4 Tech. So until next time, this here is Ash. You've been watching C4 Tech. And I'm signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.